Samantala sa post ng I Want You SB19, sinabi nila na ang Gento daw ay hindi talaga included sa original song setlist. It was a bonus closing song. Samantala, syempre hindi makalimutan ng mga fans, especially ang mga viewers na present doon sa Watson playlist ang Visa Dance Break. Samantala, dahil nalalapit na nga ang kaarawan ng pinuno ng SB19 na si Pablo, ay narito po ang naging post ni The Alpha Wolf. Aniya, celebrate and give back Pablo's birthday with a cause. This year, we're turning celebration into hope for cancer patients in Tanza, Cavite. We invite you to become sponsors of our charity event and be part of a meaningful cause. Your support will directly help provide care, medical assistance, and comfort for those fighting cancer. Join us in making a birthday more than just a celebration. Let's make it a reason to give back. Drop your order until July 15. Ibinahagi nga ng nasabing post ang pwede nyo pong i-purchase para po makatulong sa mga cancer patient na ito nga po yung reason bakit magkakaroon ng birthday for a cause or celebration for a cause sa nasabi nga pong nalalapit na kaarawan ni Zejun or ni SB19 Pablo. Samantala, narito naman po ang official lineup ng Pure Gold Concert OPM. One stage, one night, Generations of Filipino Music. Pure Gold OPM Con Generations is bringing together some of the biggest name in OPM for an unforgettable celebration of Filipino artistry, culture, and fandom. Kauna-unahan po sa linya, of course, SB19, Ben and Ben, Alamat, Flo G, Iskostikli, Sunkissed Lola, G22, Kaya, and Sonara. From P-pop anthems and rap hits to heartfelt sing-alongs, get ready for a concert experience that proves OPM continues to unite Filipinos across generations at Araneta Coliseum sa July 11. Samantala, sa kanilang Facebook page naman ay ibinahagi ng SB19 ang kanilang pong photo op sa nasabing Watson playlist ng nakaraang May 31. Sunday's Best last May 31 at the Watson playlist. Sa comment section ay napakarami nga pong nag-aabang na sa performance nila sa Lollapalooza na malapit na nga po. Well, ano sa inyo sa ating update na ito? Ilagay na ang inyong opinion sa ating comment section. Images or all credit to the rightful owners. Please like, share, and subscribe. And thank you for watching Showbiz Now.